Good morning, everyone. So I'm just gonna do my skincare and brush my teeth. So far this morning I made me and Mal some breakfast, had my iced chai and some toast. And now it's time to brush my teeth and wash my face. So first I'm gonna brush my teeth. Get that one done first. I don't know why I'm showing you, as if you guys don't know how to brush your teeth. I'm just gonna brush them. Okay, teeth are done. Now I'm gonna wash my face. I always have used Simple, but I've recently been using this tea tree one, and I sort of interchange them. I think the tea tree one does help with my spots if I get any like breakouts or like just random spots. So I'm gonna use the tea tree one this morning, just because I can feel like, you know when you can just feel bad skin low-key brewing, and it's just like I need to do everything in my power to avoid that, because it's not even like, obviously no one wants to have spots, but like it's just I can't help but pick them when I have them, and it makes it worse. It pisses me off. So yeah. Okay. Once I've washed my face, go in with a bit of this serum. This is Vitamins and C Beauty Rejuvenating Face Serum. I actually found this at an Airbnb I stayed at, and I took it. The bottle was nearly full. Someone had left it behind. It like rolled under the sofa, and I was like, oh, this looks nice. And then I either go in with just my Simple moisturizer or my tea tree one. I'm gonna go with the tea tree one right now. I've only been using this tea tree stuff for like a couple of weeks, like on and off. Mal got them as a present for me. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go get dressed and get ready for the day. Guys, this is my fit. You're on my TikTok fit check spot. My Pumas on, cute little bag, just comfy cute outfit. Gonna go now to drop my lovely boyfriend to work, and then I need to get petrol. I don't actually know if there's any other errands I need to run. I need to come home and work. Got to finish this video by the end of the day, so I'm gonna go do that. So I'm out of Tesco now. I thought I'd do a quick haul of the things I bought. I only bought a few bits. First up was this cold sore cream for Mal, because he's got a cold sore coming. And not only like is that annoying for him, it's annoying for me, because then I can't kiss him. And like as a needy girl, like I'm constantly like, give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Really jarring. Anyway, got some reduced mints, because Mal loves a bit of mints. £3 a bottle. Some tender stem broccoli for dinner, and some southern fried chicken thighs also for dinner. So that's everything. I got a coil fitted yesterday, and it's not been painful so far, and literally the past like 10-15 minutes the pain is kicking in. It's making me sweat. It's also really hot. I feel like I'm gonna be sick, so I'm gonna go home. So I've just spent the last half an hour making a LinkedIn post, because I'm a girl boss. No, fuck that, I'm a boss. Girl boss, kind of fun, but also implies that generally girls aren't bosses. Don't know if that's too woke for you guys. But yeah, I've taken some painkillers, and I feel low-key a bit spaced out, but like I've taken some very strong painkillers and I'm still in pain. So let's hope that it goes away. now I'm going to do some editing for a video that Becky at work has asked me to do of running in Cardiff. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it today or if I need more running videos. If I need more running videos, I can film later. But yeah, feeling kind of zoinked right now, but got some work to do, so got to do it. I've been grafting along non-stop for the past like 3 hours to finish this video by the end of the day, and I finished it. So I've just heated up some leftovers for my lunch, and now I'm gonna eat this. And I've come up with a plan of driving to the beach after Mal finishes work and going for a swim. So I think we might do that. We were gonna go for a run, but the thing is that the weather's really nice today, and I'd rather go for a swim and then I can go for a run tomorrow. That's my thought. So yeah, that's what's going on. Gonna enjoy this after my hard graft today. Time to pack a little evening beach bag. Got my towel, got a top, might put that on actually, got some bikini bottoms. The top is just going in there. I've got for Mal a t-shirt, pants and shorts because he's in his work clothes. I can't find him any swimming shorts, so he can just go in the sea either in his pants or in his shorts that he's worn to work, or in these shorts. I don't know, torn the place apart trying to look for some swimming shorts for him. Another towel for him. This is not all fitting in this bag. Might have to pack 2 bags, and then like I have a bag and he has a bag. But yeah, gonna go pick him up from work now, and then we're just gonna go for a little evening dip. Guys, no, yours is like washed off. Mine's not. We took about 10 steps towards the sea, or I'd be able to say a bit more than, and it's literally so fucking muddy. So yeah, there's loads of sharp rocks underneath, so we're gonna go over there instead because this is not the vibe. So we're back now, and I've just made this mac and cheese. I did like have cheese sauce that I made a few weeks ago. I put it in the freezer, but lovely mac and cheese. Cut up some chippies as well. I've got some chicken in the oven. I'm gonna make some broccoli. And yeah, but I didn't realise that the chicken I bought this morning in Tesco's takes 55 minutes to cook in the oven. So might do some editing or something once I wait for that. I forgot to vlog my dinner because I was so hungry, and now my plate is empty except for a chicken bone. Mal's still got a bit of some there, but I'll insert some pictures here of our dinner. I made mac and cheese with some leftover fried chicken from Mal's work and some of the one I bought in Tesco today. Some broccoli and just a few chips on the side as well because there were some potatoes to use. And
this dish is curry roti.
I am so full right now. So now I'm just going to sit and relax for a bit, watch some telly. Let my food go down, because food coma.